Hey there, ready to uncover the secrets of looking absolutely adorable without reaching for a single makeup brush? Well, get ready because we're about to spill the beans on how to rock that natural cuteness effortlessly. All right, let's dive into the magic of skincare. You know, that natural glow everyone wants? It starts right here. See, taking care of your skin isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. So, first things first, cleansing. It's like giving your face a fresh canvas every day, washing away the day's dirt and letting your skin breathe. Simple, right? Next up, moisturizing. Think of it as giving your skin a big, refreshing drink. Keeps it hydrated, soft, and oh so smooth. And sunscreen? That's your secret weapon against the sun's sneaky rays. Protecting your skin today means a happier skin tomorrow. But hold up, it's not just about what you put on your skin. Hydration isn't just about fancy creams, it's about drinking water too. Yep, good old H2O. It's like a magic potion for your skin. Oh, and don't forget, what you eat matters too. Fruits, veggies, all those goodies, they're like superheroes for your skin. A balanced diet makes a happy face. So, summing it up, cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen, water, and good food. Your skin's best buddies. Because when you take care of your skin, it rewards you with that gorgeous natural glow. Easy peasy, right? All right, let's talk about bringing out your natural beauty. Ever noticed how your eyebrows and lashes frame your face? Well, grooming them can make a big difference. It's like giving your face a little tune-up without any makeup. Tweeze, brush, and voila. Your eyes pop in a whole new way. Now, here's a secret weapon. Smile. Your smile is your best accessory. It instantly brightens your face and lights up the room. Trust me, confidence is your ultimate glow. Posture matters too. Standing tall not only makes you look more confident, but it also makes you feel it. Roll those shoulders back, chin up a bit, and boom, you're radiating confidence. Remember, the beauty of enhancing natural features is that it's all about working with what you already have. No need for layers of makeup when a little grooming and confidence boost can work wonders. It's like revealing the best version of yourself, effortlessly. Now, let's talk about rocking your style without makeup. Your outfit can be your canvas for expressing your unique self. Ever heard of that phrase, dress for success? Well, it's not just about success. It's about feeling amazing too. First off, it's all about finding clothes that fit you like a glove and make you feel like $1,000,000. Confidence shines through when you're comfortable in what you wear, so pick what suits your vibe and personality. Accessories? They're like the cherry on top of your fabulous outfit. Earrings, necklaces, bracelets. Pick what speaks to you. They can turn a simple look into something spectacular. And hairstyles? They can totally change the game. Find a style that suits your face shape and makes you feel fantastic. Whether it's a sleek bun, beachy waves, or a sassy pixie cut, own it. Remember, style is a personal thing. There are no rules, just what makes you feel incredible. When you feel great in your clothes, it shows. No makeup needed to radiate confidence when your style game is on point. All right, let's talk about something that can truly transform your look. Confidence. Picture this. You walk into a room, head held high, a smile on your face. That aura? That's confidence, and it's your most stunning accessory. First things first, embrace who you are, your quirks, your uniqueness. That's what makes you, well, you. Be kind to yourself. We're often our own harshest critics. Focus on your strengths and celebrate them. Confidence isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel. Take care of your mind and soul. Surround yourself with positivity. Whether it's uplifting friends, hobbies you love, or practicing gratitude daily, it's like filling up your confidence tank. Comparison? That's a thief of joy. Your journey is your own and no one else's. Embrace it. Own it. When you stop comparing, you start appreciating the beauty in being you. And hey, setbacks happen. They're part of life's plot twists. But here's the secret. They don't define you. How you bounce back, how you keep moving forward, that's what counts. That resilience, that's confidence in action. So here's the bottom line. Confidence is your superpower. When you believe in yourself, when you're kind to yourself, that's when you shine the brightest. And guess what? No makeup needed for that kind of glow. Remember, skincare is like self-care for your skin. Cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen. It's the foundation for that natural glow. But it's not just what you put on, it's what you put in. Water, good food, they're the real heroes. Enhancing your natural features, it's all about grooming and confidence. Your eyebrows, lashes, that beautiful smile, they're your best assets. Fashion and styling, your chance to express yourself without saying a word. Find what makes you feel amazing, accessorize, and rock those hairstyles. It's your style, your rules. And confidence, that's your secret sauce. Embrace who you are, take care of your mind and soul, and watch that inner glow light up your world. The best part? You don't need layers of makeup to feel fantastic. It's all about embracing your unique beauty, loving yourself, and letting that confidence shine through. Remember, gorgeous, your beauty shines from within. Embrace your natural glow, flaunt that confidence, and never forget, you're stunning just the way you are. Until next time, keep rocking that natural charm and be your beautiful self, always.